Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the another day of learning. So today our topic is introduction to PHP. So what exactly is PHP and what are the different scenarios we try to use PHP, which is a scripting language, and it can be also used as a normal common coding language also. So before we directly delve into the topic, I would like to give a scenario where my friend runs a business and he actually has a website for his company which he is running. So his business is doing well, and the major thing, which the major drawback of his company is his website. Major drawback, I say, because when people try to access his website, people are not able to access that. As people are not able to access his website, the major drawback is that his website is very slow, or it is not interactive, and the data which the people are giving is not secure. So these are the major drawbacks that he is facing actually. So because of this reason, his company is becoming little, his orders becoming a very low. So to deal this, to tackle all these difficulties, he has got into creating a website with the PHP. So what exactly is with the PHP? So now, so what exactly is PHP? What exactly the PHP does is it makes websites which function very fast, okay, and it also create dynamic web pages. We'll talk about what exactly is dynamic in nature. It also provides security encryption. It is very much cost efficient because it doesn't take any more more amount of money or require more amount of money to run all these servers and all these things. So it is also compatible, because compatible in the sense we can use HTML and CSS in the PHP. So that we'll talk in the later part of the video. So it is also a platform independent. You can run these files in any of the Windows or whatever operating system we use. So what exactly is PHP? So PHP is a hypertext preprocessor. It is abbreviated as, before it was abbreviated as personal homepage. So the initial letters of personal homepage are taken as PHP. So PHP is an open source server-side scripting language that is embedded in HTML and used for web development. So when we divide this definition into smaller parts, so PHP is an open source. So what exactly is open source? So open source in the sense it is free in nature. Like we can access easily. Anyone can access it easily. And when we talk about server-side scripting language, so when we browse something, we actually deal with web servers and web pages. So in that way, it is very quick in retrieving the information from the browser and web servers. And it is embedded into HTML and also CSS also. So we can actually use HTML tags in PHP. So it is what we exactly is we can actually use HTML code in the PHP language. So there is a basic syntax of PHP. So it starts with Angular brace question mark PHP, and the part of the code must be written in that particular block, and it ends with question mark and an Angular bracket. So how exactly this PHP works? So let us take a scenario when you type something in a web browser. You try to browse something. It just send a request from the web browser to the web server. A request will be sent to the web server. and then the server gets the data accordingly from the database, file database, and the whatever the files that have been stored in the database, and send back the response as a HTML page or a PHP page. So this actually makes it easier when we try to use a PHP, that the page can be changed dynamically or according to our browsing, the pages change accordingly. So I'll give a best example for this. So you try to log in to Amazon or whatever the let's take an example of Facebook. So open Facebook. When you log in into your account, your personal account, you will get a different type of suggestions, and same in from the same from the same browser. You log into your friend's account, he'll get a different type of suggestions for the videos and all the friend requests, and so as that. So what exactly happened? So when we talk about HTML, when we use HTML for developing all these things, it is basically static. So this can't. So in that way, what we can say, for example, mm, take any learning platform like Geeks for Geeks, for example. So when you type something to get the data of that particular thing, you open from anywhere, any web browser or website, web browser or any other device also, same thing will be coming, or like same content will be coming. But when you try to access Amazon from different devices, you will get the different um, interfaces or maybe the different home pages. So that is because Amazon, Facebook, all these are dynamic. They are majorly run on the PHP code. Okay, so this is the major thing because of which the PHP is running. So this is a basic hello world program in a PHP language. Now let's try to run a basic program in a PHP language. So for that, we need to first run our XAMPP servers. So I actually have my servers are running actually. So open the files, open XAMPP folder, and in that open htdocs, where you need to create a file in this. Let's open this with VS Code. Now let's create a file here which says so this is an existing code already. So this is my first code, which actually says echo hello world. So what exactly is echo? All these things we'll try to learn in the next coming videos, where I'll just give you a roadmap of how to start with PHP from a beginner level. Go with what exactly are the things, like for example, what are the things present, data types, variables, what exactly are the variables or different things, and also how to declare a variable, how to declare a function, how to call a function, what are the different functions, or what are the different keywords that are present in this. We'll discuss in the later part of these videos. So this is my first, as I told you about the syntax. We must start the syntax. Our code with the Angular matrix, Angular braces, question mark and PHP, and end with the question mark and PHP. in the middle, we can write our whatever code we want. So this is my echo hello world. Echo is a keyword which is used to print whatever we want, we can print. Okay, so this is my simple code. Now just let us run this. Okay. So how to run a PHP code? Just open your browser and go click http colon slash whatever is your IP address. When you just click this, so it just shows what are the different files that are present in that folder htdocs. So once you save your PHP file in htdocs, the list of files will be open. So whenever you want to open whatever file, you want, just click on this. So this is a hello world that we have written. Okay, we'll just add one more echo statement which says this is my basic page. Remember, echo statement always ends with a semicolon. Just save this. Save this. I'll just refresh this page. So see, when I refresh this page, this is my first basic page. Okay. So in this way, we can actually run any kind of PHP using this XAMPP server, which is Apache server, which is a web server. So in this way, PHP is very useful. Now let me discuss about what are the major companies which are using PHP at currently. Is best example would be Facebook, and most of us are having Facebook. So that Facebook is mainly written on PHP code. And when we take about one more example, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is one more huge platform which is majorly running on PHP. So these are the major uses of PHP. So in the upcoming videos, we'll talk about the data types, variables, and so on. Thank you.